How do you like to analyze people's websites, find loopholes that could actually get them into lawsuit, generate invoices just like this one, send them to the business, they go ahead and click on pay, they pay you, and you resolve the issues all under one dashboard? Well, I'm here inside the Webcop app, and today I'm going to give you a full demo and run through on what this is and how it works. But before we do that, I'm going to leave a link down below this video that will take you straight to my review page where you can find out more information about the Webcop. Now, the Webcop front end version, it's gonna start at $37, and we have a couple of upsells included, as well as the bundle deal. So the bundle deal will include the front end plus all the upsells for a one-time fraction of the price, which is gonna be $297 rather than $712. And you can also use the coupon code COP50 bundle to get $50 off, so that will drop the price to $247, and you can get the front end plus all the upsells for that price. Now you can also grab the front end alone using one of these buttons on my review page if you want to. We also have a couple of more information about the Webcop app, the discount coupon for the front end that you can use to get 20% off if you want to pick up the front end individually, as well as the bonuses that I'm willing to offer if you decided to pick up Webcop through my review page. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the Webcop app. It's a really simple app. I'm going to show you how you can use it step by step. So first we have the dashboard. Here we have the analyzed websites, the paid reports, the pending payments, and all-time earnings. So as you can see, I have previously generated a report, and I'm gonna walk you through how you can do this yourself. So here inside the dashboard, you get all sorts of information about your invoices, payments, and your analyzed websites. The next section is going to be the lawsuit checker, and this is one of the most important sections of the software. So first we have the analyzed website. So here you can analyze your business websites or your client's websites. You just type it in right here and click on run analysis. So it says, please hold on, your report is generating and establishing connection. Now it's going to take a few seconds up to a minute to generate the report, and I'm not gonna even pause the video for you to show you how fast this software really is. So as you can see, it already did this, and we have the audit result for reviewskingdom.com, which is my website. In this case, your website is susceptible of a lawsuit. We have found 5 loopholes. So if I scroll down a little bit, you'll see that we have a couple of information that the software has found. So my website is SSL compliance. I have the HTTPS, but it's not ADA compliant, nor is it GDPR compliant. So if I click here, it will show me more information. I don't have a virtual toolbox that must exist, and I don't have text-to-speech. So you can be sued. Your website does not have the text-to-speech tool. So I need to add these 2 tools in order for my website to become ADA compliant. Same thing goes for the GDPR. So I don't have a return and refund compliance policy. And if I scroll down a little bit, I don't have a cookie consent compliance, and I don't have a cookie policy compliance. So what I can do is I can click here on fix issues, and I can type in, for example, the name. I can type in the email address, for example. So I'm going to choose this email address. I can put the phone number. So let me just grab a random phone number quickly and paste it right here. And I can click on complete fixing. Now, in your case, you're going to be setting this up for your client. So you must type in their information, their name, their company name, their email address, their phone number, and click on complete fixing. And what this does is it creates invoice. So we're gonna click on close, and we have our invoice ready. And what we can do is we can charge them for each and every service. So we can make their website ADA compliant for $80. We can make their website, we can add virtual box to their website. We can add text to speech to their website for an extra $40 and $40. So the total is going to be $160. Now you can play around with the price, and I'm going to show you how to edit that. And what you have to do right now is click on download and send this to your customer or client. So it's gonna look something like this, and all they have to do is scroll down, click on the green button, which will redirect them to the payment page. Now if I go here, let me just for example, let me just close this, and I'm logged out. I'm gonna log in quickly and go back. So I apologize for that. I was using the software for a long time. That's why I got logged out of the software. But anyways, let's go back here and click on view report. So we were on the other page. Let me just quickly go back to the other page. So I'm just gonna fill out the information. So reviews kingdom right here, paste the number and click on complete. So let me just go ahead and paste the number. Go back here, click on complete, and it will go ahead and generate this for me. So we were at this stage right here where you can send this invoice to your client. So like I said, it's gonna look something like this, and they can scroll down, click on this green button to pay. Now how we can add our payment link, it's really simple. We just close this right here, and we go to, let me just find the payment link. So we go here and then go to my account, and then not my account, we go to this, then we go to the agency settings, and here you can play around with all sorts of information. So what you can do here, you can change your service price and list. So let's say I want to change the ADA compliance for $200, the cookie consent for $100. So you can play around with pricing as much as you like. Then you can click on save changes, and it will automatically update the pricing details. And here at the payment link, you can choose your payment link. You can add your PayPal or Stripe payment link, whatever payment link you want. I believe they have tutorials inside of the software that will showcase how you can go ahead and generate this payment link and add it to your Webcop software basically. So I have added, for example, the Google link for this demo purpose. Then I click on update, and it's automatically updated. I click on back, and here we are back to the dashboard. So as you can see, I have generated 3 invoices, and they are pending right now. So once they are successful, you can click here and click on success, and it will change to a successful payment. And as you can see, we have total earnings $160. Now how can we actually go ahead and fix these issues for the business? So here we have the generator section, and we have the fixer section. So in the generator section, you can generate privacy policy. So if they are having issues with the privacy policy, you can generate that. Now I have an issue with ADA compliance, and all I have to do is go to ADA right here, and it will automatically generate an ADA widget that I can add to my website. Now what I can do is I can go ahead and select, for example, the black color, and it would automatically generate this code. Now what you can do in your case, you're going to send this code to your client, and all they have to do is add it to their website. So they go to the PHP script of their website, and they add it under the header, and it will automatically add the ADA compliant to their website, and the first issue is going to be fixed. Now the second one is going to be text to speech. I believe this is using the plagiarism tool. So you're going to go ahead and, not the plagiarism tool, but so the text to speech, you have to add it into, I believe. So let me just check out how you can fix this issue. So I just went to the report, and when I scroll down, I found out that the text-to-speech is part of the ADA compliance. So we are going to charge them extra for solving one issue. So it's like separated, but it's the same exact thing, because the ADA compliance or the text to speech is actually part of the ADA compliance. So once we add that code to our website, this issue is gonna be fixed, or to our client websites, it's gonna be fixed. So the next issue is going to be the virtual box that must exist. Again, it's part of the ADA compliance. So it's really simple. We just add the ADA code that I showed you previously. So if I go back here, we go to ADA, we just add this code to the website and everything will be fixed, and we can charge them like $160 for this simple task that could literally take us 1 minute to do. Now, if they have an SSL issue, it's really simple. Just click here and watch this video to learn how to install Rapid SSL to their website. We also have the AI content assistant and the plagiarism checker. Now, if they have problems with the privacy policy, you just go here, you type in their website. So for example, reviewskingdom.com, and we're gonna click on generate, and it will go ahead and let me just click on proceed. So this, all you have to do is literally follow the steps. You just click on proceed. It will take you to the data collection, then you fill out some information, then it takes you to the data usage, and at the finish you will have your privacy policy of your website. So it's really simple to use. Same thing goes for the disclaimer. You just type in your website, so reviewskingdom.com, and then you're gonna click on create a disclaimer, then proceed. So you just click on proceed, and it will take you to the data collection where you're gonna fill out a few information about your website. Then it's gonna take you to the finish where you get your disclaimer, the cookie consent. This is the cookie or the notification that shows up whenever someone visits your websites, and it asks them to agree on the cookies, and they just click on agree. So this is something we see on a day-to-day basis, but you can get sued or you can get a lawsuit just for not adding this to your website. Now, same thing, you just type in your website and it will generate a cookie consent, terms and conditions, a cookie widget, and even return and refund policy. So all these tools will literally take you like a minute to set up, and all you have to do is just email them or email the business their ADA compliance code, you email them their privacy policy, or you can even add them to their own website. If they are using WordPress, just type in on YouTube how to add privacy policy. You just go to pages, create a new page, name it privacy policy, copy and paste the privacy policy you are gonna get from the generator tools. So these are all the tools that you are gonna get from the Webcop app. As you can see, it's really easy to use, and all of this you are gonna get on the front end. Now the front end is gonna be somehow limited because you only get to generate 10 privacy policies for 10 different websites, 10 disclaimer generators, 10 cookie consents for 10 websites, and so on and so forth. So you basically get the idea. It's somehow limited. Now the upsell number one is going to be the Webcop Senior, which is going to be an extra $67. That will allow you to get access to unlimited features. It will allow you to access to the lawsuit website checker, the lawsuit agency website widget, the privacy policy generator, the disclaimer generator, the cookie consent, the terms and conditions generator, the cookie widget generator, the ADA fixer, the SSL fixer, the real case studies, the real life case studies where they show you how they use the Webcop app to actually generate clients, and the exclusive bonuses with additional apps. So all of these are included in the upsell number one bundle. Upsell number two is going to be the Webcop Chief or the Chief Webcop for $67. You get access to client getting scripts and emails, which are these ones. That's why I didn't share them with you, because they are part of the second upsell. You get done for you client agency getting website, and so on and so forth. Upsell number 3 is going to be the executive Webcop. They have an unlimited version for $147 or the yearly version for $67. So you can use the unlimited version, which is the lifetime version, for $147, or you can pay yearly for $67. Now this will allow you to get access to their AI assistant add-on to Webcop. That will save you time. This will help you add the blog titles creator, quickly create blog outlines, Facebook and Google ad creator, and the ADA email generation. So if you want that, you can go ahead and consider picking up the option number 3. Option number 4 is going to be the Executive Webcop Plus for $197 for the lifetime or $97 yearly. So this will allow you to get access to their new features that will be updated, their VIP Facebook group, their monthly training and updates, a monthly update of a list of non-compliant websites, so you don't have to do the research yourself. They're going to send you the list, a monthly marketing scripts, follow-ups, and for any questions and additional assistance. So all of these are included in the option number 4, which is really interesting in my opinion. Option number 5 is going to be the Webcop Commando for the unlimited version for $197 or the yearly version for $147, where you get the admin panel where you can create and manage team members and clients accounts. You can resell Webcop to others. You can charge whatever you want and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. You get proven to convert sales material, and they handle all the supports and updates for you. So this is the funnel. If you want to pick them up, or you want to pick up the front end plus all the 5 upsells, you can consider picking up the bundle, which is going to be $297. And if you use the special coupon code COP50 bundle, you'll be able to get it for $50 less, which is $247. Now, if you have any questions revolving around the Webcop app, please don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.